Welcome to our guide on how to use search filters with videos on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's dive into the steps. To begin, enter your search query into the search box located at the top of the Twitter page. Once you hit enter, your search results will display a mix of posts, photos, accounts, and various content types. To specifically filter for videos in your search results, navigate to the top of the search results page and click on the Videos tab. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently utilize search filters to narrow down your results and focus specifically on videos related to your search query on X, Twitter, on your PC. Thank you for following along. We trust that this tutorial has been helpful in demonstrating how to effectively use search filters with videos on X, Twitter, on your PC. Enhance your search experience by refining your results to include video content that aligns with your interests and preferences on the platform.